What's the meaning of butcher's block? Butcher's block. Butcher's block.
Butcher's block. Butcher's block. A butcher's block is a large, sturdy chopping board used in the food preparation industry. Traditionally, it was made of wood and was used by butchers to cut up meat. Today, it is also used in home kitchens as a multipurpose cutting surface. The surface of a butcher's block is typically heavy and resistant to cuts, and it may also have a self-healing quality that allows it to withstand repeated chopping and slicing over time. With a butcher's block, users can prepare food efficiently and safely, knowing that the board is secure and unlikely to slip or slide during use.